Specialty Mustang here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 2006 Saleen S281 Supercharged Coupe. And best of all, Carfax is indicating one owner, no accidents, and an actual mile car at 10,567 is all. That's right, original miles in this car, 10,567 on the odometer as we're doing this video. Underneath the hood, supercharged 4.6 liter V8 that's paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold, heater blows hot. This is car number 694 in the 2006 model year run. Take a look at this front fascia. Has had the vinyl stripe added, and it's kind of a metallic gray. This actually looks incredible out in the sun. Check out the still pictures. You're gonna be able to see this car from every angle, undersides, interior, engine bay, trunk, and those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the chrome wagon wheels, as they're known in the Saleen world. Now, it is black, so there's a few spots where there's been some very minor touch-up. I know there was one on this fender, if you can kind of see that whole spot there. Overall, car shows very nice. You can't even see that one really in the video. There it is. And I'm being awful fussy just to point those out. This one will turn some heads, sounds good, looks good. We're gonna start it up, let you hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood. If you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Look down this passenger side. Nice straight panels. That's like a mirror-like finish where you can see the wall behind me and the reflection coming off that passenger door. Not full of major nicks, dings, or scratches. Professionally tinted side glass. Want to make you aware of that, just so you know your local and state laws as far as a percentage of window tint that you can have. That's not a real dark tint. I want to make you aware of it. Also want to make you aware we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And you can see that stripe continuing to the rear of the car. That is vinyl if you wanted to remove it, just so you got the heads up on that also. Technician did note 2025 oil was changed, new serpentine belt, and a new battery. As we take a look down the driver's side, if you like Mustangs in general, no matter what year, especially Mustangs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Specialty and Classics. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. These videos are uploaded daily. When the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. That can be done online, right off our showroom floor, either one. As we look down this driver's side, again, you can see really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Real tiny touch-up right there, but look at the reflection in that paint. This one will turn some heads, no doubt about that. Fun car for your roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. All right, door panel looking good. Of course, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You have a power seat over here on the driver's side. And again, the wear of that seat, very, very little. Center console with that 5-speed manual transmission. I did notice the Shaker 500 stereo system did have a CD air code, so you're aware of that. I did have the AM/FM radio working fine. Let's check out the exact miles. Start it up so you can hear it run. We're going to take a... There's the radio working. There's your exact miles, 10,567. some good sounding cars. No check engine light, service engine soon, anything like that. Top of the dash looks good. Of course, the Saleen gauge cluster for boost and for air temp and the intercooler. Always dash looking good. There's that CD air I mentioned. But again, radio, no problem. Door panel on the passenger side looks good. Give you an idea how that sounds. This one's a sweetheart, no doubt about that. All right, let me slip up to the front. I want to pop this hood, let you check out this engine bay. Stick around to the very end of the video. Jason's going to take this one for a drive. Show you how it goes down the road, take you for a virtual ride, if you will. A good look at the underside of the hood. Doesn't look like this car's been driven in inclement weather. Nice and clean and tidy. There's that engine bay. Again, supercharged 4.6 liter or 281 cubic inch V8, hence the S281 nameplate on the Saleen. Back here you're going to be able to see the Saleen badge, partial VIN, production date, the actual car number. You'll see that in the still pictures, nice close-up. Also the dash plaque with the Saleen car number on it, and of course the bumper number. Those will all match up. There'll be over 100 pictures of this car online, and that's at uniqueclassiccars.com. Like I said, you're going to be able to see the bottom, interior, engine bay, trunk, this car from every angle. Number to call, 507-386-1726. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2006 Ford Mustang Saleen. Now this is the Saleen treatment, which gives you a lot more power for more fun. This is a manual transmission, which is the best way to put that fun to the ground. Let's see how she does on the highway. You can just slightly hear that whine combined with the exhaust note coming out the tailpipe, and it sounds great. Very fun car to drive. Very good throttle response. Our gauges are all working as they should. Temperature gauge about a third of the way up. The oil pressure a little over half. Volts a little over half. And the fuel right at the halfway point. Speedometer and tachometer working as they should. Boost gauge right up here, and air temperature gauge. It's kind of fun to watch that boost gauge when you get in it. It jumps. Very nice car. Interior looking very good condition. Comfortable seats. Bucket seats from Saleen. Brakes feel good. Corners nice and flat. As you want a sporty car to corner, this one does very well. Shaker stereo working. What else can I say? It's a very good condition Saleen Mustang. If you're looking for a performance Mustang 2006, look no further. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com.